Good day everyone. I'm Lorely Yap and today we're going to discuss about the plants' parts and their functions. So plants have 6 parts. The first 3 help plants get water, make food, and grow. They are roots, stems, and leaves. And the second 3 help plants grow new plants. They are flowers, fruits, and seeds. So let's proceed to the plant's parts and functions. Each plant's organ performs a specialized task in the life of the plant. Roots, leaves, and stems are all vegetative structures. Flowers, seeds, and fruits make up reproductive structures. The roots support the plant and supply it with water and nutrients. Stems connect the roots and leaves. Leaves capture energy from sunlight and use it to make food for the plant. Reproductive structures attract pollinators and produce seeds and fruit. So let's proceed to the first parts of plants, which is roots. The root is the first plant structure to emerge from a seed during a germination. Roots are mostly found below the soil surface. They represent about 50% of a plant's weight. The primary functions of roots are to absorb water and nutrients from the soil and to support the plant in an upright position. Roots also distribute the food energy produced in the leaves in the rapidly growing areas found at the root tips. Some plants also use their roots as specialized food storage reserves. So roots have a special job, you see. Roots holds the plant in the soil and the soil is the dirt in the ground. The roots bring water and nutrients from the soil to the plant and to support the plant in upright position. Always remember the roots hold the plant to the soil. So let's proceed to the second part of plants, which is stem. Plant stems connect the roots with the leaves. Plant stems are important because they transport water and nutrients from the roots to the leaves. They also transport food energy from the leaves to the roots. The stems carry water and food through the plant. Always remember the stem holds the plant above ground. The next part that we're gonna learn are leaves. The primary function of leaves is to capture sunlight for manufacturing food reserves. This process is called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis occurs within specialized cells found in leaves or modified stems such as chlorophylls. During photosynthesis, water and carbon dioxide chemically combine in the presence of sunlight to make plant sugars, oxygens, and water. So the leaves are on the end of the stems of plants and there is more interesting. Leaves are where plants make most of their food. Leaves take in air, they use air, water, and sunlight to make food. Always remember, leaves are on the end of the stems. Let's now proceed to the plant flower. Flowers are the reproductive structures of angiosperms or flowering plants. Reproductive structures play an important part in the life cycle of plants because they promote sexual reproduction and produce seeds and fruits that aids the dispersal of the plant species. Flowers, like leaves, grow on the end of the stems. Flowers are often the most colorful part of the plant. The rich colors of flowers help attract pollinators. That's why they are beautiful. The beauty has a purpose. After getting pollinated, flowers can make seeds and fruits. Do you love fruit? Yes, fruits are awesome. You have flowers to thank for that. Flowers make fruits. Always remember, flowers are colorful growth on the stems. The next one is the plant fruit. A fruit is a mature, ripened ovary along with the contents of the ovary. The ovary is the oval-bearing reproductive structure in the plant flower. The ovary serves to enclose and protect the ovals from the youngest stages of flower development until the ovals become fertilized and turn into seeds. So, where on the fruits hang? Fruit hangs on the end of stems. Now, if you're wondering what is the fruit job, the fruit's job is to hold the seeds. Fruit is the delicious seeds holder. Always remember, fruit is the tasty stuff on the stems. So the last part of the plant that we're gonna learn is the seeds. So where are the seeds on the plant? Seeds hide inside of the fruit. Seeds grow into new plants. If you're wondering how does that work, well, here's one way when animals eat fruit, they eat the seeds, then later, the seeds leave the animals through its ways whenever the animals eat. This called dispersal. Always remember, seeds live inside of the fruit. And that's the end of our topic.